grams.
I will be your guide to this journey.
New remote. Fly more package.
Hi-fi African drums. Played for your musical pleasure by our digital selector, rhythms master, samples loop, cut and paste, the computer man, Cyberdread. So just step on the
Dun
dance
dun
floor.
dun 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 dun.
And enjoy the beat.
See that? Be safe. Don't be sorry. Almost there, guys. And a nice case. Look at this. DJI. Smells like a new box. It's not quite as good as a new car smell, but it's pretty good, guys. Alright. Ooh, this case is much nicer than the first one. Let's open that up. You can't read any of this. Oh yeah, I can read that one. Okay, that one says, I take it back, I can't read that one. Product name, DJI Mini 2. Shoulder bag, color black, 100% polyester, made in Shenzhen, China. Everything you wanted to know. Alright. Now this is an unzipping. Is this called an unbagging video? I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with this terminology. Oh. It unzips from here. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, now we know what's right here, right? Look at this, guys. Can you read that? Accessories. Got the drone. Got the new style remote here. Oh, it's pretty tightly packed in there. I'm gonna take out these accessories here. Let's see here. Okay, here's the remote. Accessories box. I assume that's probably the instructions. I'm sure that's probably what that means there. And please, 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 just don't ever eat this. Throw away. Accessories. I wonder what's in here. I wonder what's in the accessory. Ooh, that's all of our extra blades, propellers, props, screwdriver, and extra joysticks there. Set this aside. Ooh, okay, so this is something the old one, the mini one, didn't come with. Nice little strap here. Looks like a travel case. That's gonna keep these intact. The new propellers have orange. Old ones did not. We got a couple, some stickers on here. With the number 1, it says unfold the front arms forward. So it's teaching you how to do this if you've never done it before. Okay, we can see here that these props are protected and held together there by another sticker. Right here, this says open the cover, press and hold the battery release button, and remove the battery. and it has a kind of a 1, 2, 3 direction. I've had the Mini 1, so I'm pretty familiar with how to do this. And I'm going to go ahead and lift this up. Okay. This is probably just as difficult as the first one. Oh no, a little easier. Okay. And they upgraded this to USB-C, and still that's the micro SD slot. We got here number 2 showing you to unfold these. It says to unfold the rear arms downwards, so you down and up. If I turn this around, it actually says this: please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. Well, I know that, but if you've never owned one of these, maybe you don't. Use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. That's what it says right here. And it shows you how to do that. Pretty neat. Take this out. Okay. You'll see these aren't in there. They're stored right here at the bottom. This is metal, by the way. The old ones are all plastic. On the remote, just real quickly, we got the camera up and down, just like before. You got a function button here, photo button, and this is your camera to record thing. Also, you got your return to home and your pause, cancel, and then this is a really nice change. You can switch your modes: your Cine mode, Cine Smooth, I guess the normal, the P mode, and Sport mode, and of course the on-off. You can see it's not all the way charged, but it comes with a little bit of a charge. And I think that, yep, this is how you attach your phone. So it's a spring lock. Very neat. Okay. Set that back down. Let's see what's in the accessories. Probably the battery chargers, I assume. Oh, yep, okay. Got our cables for USB-C and micro. This is for the to charge the remote RC. And this is the battery pack. Yeah, and these are supposed to come out a lot easier. Oh yeah, these come out just so much easier than the first ones. I don't know why the plastic actually feels a little cheaper than the first ones, but as you can see, the major change here is USB-C. When you pop those in, it'll show you the charge. See that? So, I should probably take this battery out. Put it in there. This is a sequential charger, so it charges this port, then this one, and that one. Yeah, that was pretty much a dead battery in there, so I'll go ahead and just take this battery out, put this one in here. Okay, we got the power block, we got USB-A. That's probably it. Well, that's the unboxing. That's it. That's all there is.